Chú ăn nhanh không chú đạp xe luôn rồi. Phải làm.
Welcome to Mai Chau in northern Vietnam. As you can see around me, there's lots of rice paddy fields. They're actually mid-harvest. If you can hear what's going on behind me, they're kind of getting rid of all the grass that's left over after they've done their rice harvest. So they're all busy in the fields, sort of gathering all the rice up while it's dry. It's nice and hot at the moment. They'll dry it out for a couple of days. And then obviously, yeah, the weather's nice, so they'll be able to collect it in, put in perfect conditions. So they're all really hard at work, really difficult, you know, really heavy work, and in this heat, really backbreaking. So it's really impressive to see.
Selecting the grain with the branches.
Our guide is helping the ladies carry the grass and the rice through the village, giving them a little bit of a break.